Okay, everyone. It's Mom, Dad, and Aiden. And we're here tonight to unbox all these items that Aiden got at the thrift stores.
I mean, from actually, I got them from eBay.
Oh, whoops, sorry. We got this pile from eBay. Okay, and the first thing that we have is a VHS. And it says, let's see, turn it this way a little bit for Mama. Warner Brothers Family Entertainment. Cats Don't Dance.
This looks like a good movie.
It does.
Maybe we'll have to watch it in 2025.
Sounds good. Front. Side and back. Now we're going to take that plastic off and see what's inside. Excuse me.
There we go.
Good job.
Let's see what's inside that case.
Okay.
The VHS clamshell, I should say.
And inside we've got an insert. And we've got our VHS tape.
And the print in the print date is August 29th, 1997.
Wow. That's almost 20 years old?
Yeah. I get that.
17 years old.
17? Okay.
Yeah.